Hello guys. So shortly I'm going to show you how you can claim your Phaver airdrop without any troubles, irrespective of where your wallet address or username is. All you need to do is follow the link on the video description, or you can check the comment section. Open the link on your browser, copy your wallet address, and paste in this column. After you do that, you search for your address. Afterwards, you click on Connect Wallet and select MetaMask, which is going to push you to the MetaMask app. You wait for the sequence to load out. Once that is done, you connect your wallet once again, and then you push on Claim button the first time. Afterwards, you will have this page where you can push the Claim button again for the second time. Sign the transaction, and all you have to do is wait for the base network to process your withdrawal. You need base token minimum $0.5 to complete this transaction. Do your best. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And good luck on your airdrop loot. Cheers.